Hiding your online status on social media can help maintain your privacy and control over your interactions. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the X app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the Settings option, usually represented by a Get icon or labeled as Settings. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Privacy or Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage who sees your online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for an option related to Show Online Status or Display Activity Status. Toggle this option off to hide your online presence from others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the Settings menu and check that your online status is no longer visible to others. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status and enjoy a more private experience on the platform.